we doing today, Mason? Good. Well, hopefully we're going to be better after this video, huh?
Yeah.
Because this is technically the third time that we've tried to make this video. The first video, I had a lot of problems getting this torque converter aligned up and bolted on and every other thing. The bolt was too short on the old setup and the chain would hit this, and I had to rearrange a bunch of things and it just wasn't exactly working correctly. So we ended up having to put spacer in between here, spacer in between here, yep. And it's still really close, really close to hitting the chain. Somewhere around here, you can see daylight through there. I'm not really sure where, but yeah, it's really close to hitting, but it's not yet. And actually, now that I'm looking at it, yeah, we're gonna have to, looks like our motor mounts might have loosened up.
That's a bell.
Yeah, so that's a little bit too much slack, because then it can pop off of there. So I'll end up adjusting that. It's not a huge deal, but ouch. It rolls now with the torque converter as it should, which is really nice. We also got the, ouch, I am just hurting myself left and right. Oh boy. We also got the brake spring set up. I gotta find a nut to go on that,
Yep.
whatever that is. Bolt, that was the word I'm looking for, bolt. So that actually returns now, that's good. We got the throttle cable hooked up to the throttle. I tried to find a new throttle cable at the store, but they only had one that was 48 inches long. And I was trying to go from all the way up here, down along the main, all the way up to the throttle pedal. And the only one they had was 48, and that's like 76, 77 inches, I think, if we measured correctly, which we probably didn't, honestly. Whatever. We also got a throttle return spring hooked up, so that's cool. You can go wide open, let go, it comes right back. So that's awesome.
So we don't have to like push it
Yeah,
back.
so we don't have to push it and push it back. And here, go work the pedal so I can show them how the linkage works.
Oh, this?
The gas pedal. Yep, just like that, huh?
Yeah.
All right, so everything works. We had this motor running like 2 hours ago, so it might start on the first pull, it might not. Yes. So let's see how many pulls it's going to take this time around. Turn the switch on that we still have to wire up to that guy. You think it's going to take one this time?
Yeah.
As you said, how many do you think it was going to take to start last time?
2.
2? Yeah. Well, let's see what we get. Got our fuel on, turn our choke on.
That sounded like a fire.
It sounded like a fart. It kind of did, and I was hoping you didn't laugh at that. All right, here we go. So there we go, running. Oh, I turned the choke off too soon. Dang it. All right, I'll turn the choke back on. There we go. Yeah. If you guys have never seen a torque converter work before, it's actually pretty neat how it moves. clutch expands and contracts and does a bunch of cool stuff. And the driven pulley also does the same thing. So that's really cool. And yeah, so super happy with the way the torque converter ended up working out, even though
The tires started moving.
the tires started moving. Yeah. Yeah, even though the fitment wasn't 100% great, and honestly I don't know if the cover is going to fit. We didn't check that. Probably should. No, the cover's not going to fit the way it is. I'll end up having to trim the bottom of this out because I had to, how I ended up having to run that. Okay. So, made great progress, doing good so far. Can't wait to ride this thing. It's going to be pretty fun, I'm not going to lie. And doing the torque converter, we got a whole lot of torque, and we lost quite a bit of the top speed, which is good because that's exactly what we wanted to have happen. And that way we could have it more fun, be around the yard. The tires, the tracking number said they're supposed to be here tomorrow, so hopefully we can get those on before the next video. Also, the other thing we forgot to mention, Mason, is that you're on spring break this week, aren't you? So what are we going to try to do all week?
Fix this to make
Yeah.
it go.
And we're going to do what, one video a day?
Yep.
So we're going to try and stay busy because I've never done one video a day. He's 6, so he's obviously never done one video a day. So we're going to try to knock this thing out and have some fun this weekend. Some fun this week. And we'll try to do some comparison. We'll come up with some sort of track for the go-kart and the grave digger and all that. And we'll do times and stuff like that. Should be fun. Anyway, hope you guys enjoyed this. I really hope this video turns out because this would be the 3rd time that I've tried to record this now. Thank you guys for watching. We appreciate all of your views, all your likes, all your comments. I try to like and respond to all of your comments. If you would, please drop a like to our videos. Helps us get seen by all of you guys. Thank you for watching. Right, Mason?